It's the first day of the month, the quarter and the new financial year, and it's been a positive start with the Aussie share market up by 0.6%. The market has been supported by news that trade talks between the US and China have restarted. We are seeing outperformance from energy, technology, as well as the property sectors on the market. Having a look at company news, and we have seen Charter Hall upgrading its guidance. It expects to see operating earnings per share up by 24%, and the shares are trading up by 1.6% on the market. And a US company, SS&C, has outbid Bravia for GBST, offering an indicative cash bid of $3.25. We've seen GBST shares jumping by 6% on that news. Meanwhile, Superloop has downgraded its guidance. Previously, it was forecasting earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization between $13 to $18 million. It's now predicting just $7 to $8 million, and the shares are trading down by a hefty 12% on the market. But it's an upgrade at Horizon Oil. It expects to exceed the upper end of its guidance, saying that it's sold 1.86 million barrels of oil, and that should result in revenue in Aussie dollar terms of about $180 million. The shares up by 10% on the market. And it's a big week in terms of macroeconomic events this week. We'll be watching the Reserve Bank of Australia's interest rate meeting tomorrow, where we'll be watching to see whether we see another rate cut in Australia. That would take the official interest rate in Australia from 1.25% down to 1%. And we'll finish off the week with the job numbers out in the US. The non-farm payroll numbers will be closely watched to see whether there is signs of weakness in the US economy. So all in all, a good start for the Aussie share market with a rise of 0.6%.